Okay, class, it's time to look at problem solving assignment number 3. Briefly outlined, it is this. We're going to be looking at a hypothetical area that we want to involve a community policing effort in, organizing community policing. This term has many meanings. In this case, you're going to write up a proposal, and it'll be a multi-agency effort. It'll be targeted to a specific, say, 4-block area where there is known to be a great deal of petty crime and maybe street prostitution. And it is a residential area, and this is not a commercial area. So it's in a poor area in town, and the agencies involved would of course be the Laredo Police Department. They would be the lead agency in this effort, but they wouldn't be alone because there are 3 things that I want in your proposal. One is, again, identifying what agencies would be likely to be good to intervene in a high crime area where there are prostitutions, perhaps low-level drug sales, possibly petty theft, muggings and the like. And so what agencies might intervene in this area, keeping in mind that you also want to know what's happening with the residents in those particular areas, because it so happens that there may be a situation that the residents themselves are not really participants, that the perpetrators of these crimes are really coming in from the outside. And so what might be done to make those residents in those areas feeling safer and maybe more involved in taking action on their behalf to the extent that they can. So part 1 of this is to identify who the stakeholders would be, who might intervene to make a neighborhood safer. The second element is to try to allocate who does what type of intervention might various agencies take in this instance. And then the third is to come up with a kind of performance measure. How do you measure your effectiveness? Is it only in reported incidences of crime in that area, or are there other ways that you might also look at effectiveness of a community policing program? So that's your assignment. Keep in mind that by multi-agency, we are talking about a combination of government agencies, and not just the police, as well as key nonprofit organizations that would be plausibly involved in an effort like this. So there you go. Good luck with that. I'll be giving you a little bit of a written outline, but I did want to introduce you to our next assignment by this means. Let me know how it goes. You have about a week to do this. Good luck.